Here we are going to review the top 5 best futons, so that you can choose the right one according to your purpose. Nothing says class, sophistication and smooth comfort quite like velvet, and the pin-tufted transitional futon is the ultimate in style. The design itself is stunning. It combines thick cushioning with tufted velvet, sleek arms, tapered wooden legs, and a vintage look that takes you back to the bold and luxurious days of the 1950s. With a variety of colors to match your decor, this sofa can fit perfectly with contemporary look, classic style or a more rustic-looking living space. What's more, the split-back design seating can be independently lowered into lounging or sleeping position, so you can sit up to watch your favorite movie, lounge back to chat with friends, or offer overnight guests a perfectly comfortable place to spend the night. The pin-tufted transitional futon comes with soft padding under all 4 feet to make it easy to move around and ensure your floors are never scuffed or scratched. Be embraced by the comfortable cushioning of the Novogratz Brittany linen futon. With its rib-tufted cushioned back, the Novogratz Brittany linen futon gives your body all the support you need to sit and relax for hours. The combination of curved armrests and slanted legs work together to provide a unique rounded look that stands out. The linen upholstery adds another element of elegance, making this a perfect statement piece for any living space. It features comfortable polyester and foam filling with slanted oak-colored wood legs. The futon is a classic hardwood frame with tray-style arms. This unique and versatile full-size futon sofa easily converts to a bed. This multifunctional piece of furniture can find a home in just about any type of room. Maximize space in your dorm room or apartment with this queen-size futon. This futon's suede mattress cover provides an invitingly soft surface for sitting or sleeping, and the rugged hardwood construction offers natural strength and sturdiness. The 8-inch mattress boasts hinged springs and high-density foam padding for a comfortable night's sleep. This futon chair is ideal for small living spaces or in your home office that sometimes is used as a guest room. Built on a solid pine wood frame with tapered and splayed legs, the chair strikes an armless silhouette for an understated look. When you need a spare bed, the seat unfolds and the back can be pushed down to create a twin bed-length sleeping spot for your guest. The polyester upholstery is filled with foam and has integrated springs in the seat for an inviting feel if you're sitting or sleeping. A throw pillow is included with this chair.